उसमें योर लॉर्डशिप विल रिकॉल पुलिस से रिपोर्ट मंगवाई गई थी और FIA से, एंड योर लॉर्डशिप हैड आस्क्ड मी टू सी इफ दोज रिपोर्टर्स जर्नलिस्ट wanted to be represented. I am currently representing Mr. Absar Alam, Mr. Matiullah Jan and Mr. Imran Shafkat. In Mr. Matiullah Jan and Mr. Absar Alam's cases are quite similar in as much as one was kidnapped, the other was shot, and the police investigation is in question. The other case of Imran Shafkat, that is a case of the FIA registering an FIR against him. So that basically ties into...
No, what is the allegation there?
My lord, I have to, right now, I don't have his complete case record with me. I've not been able to get it. I talked to him day before yesterday, and his case record has not come available.
No, but you would know the nature of the FIR. What is it?
Sir, वो पीका के offenses थे, sir.
When was this? Recently, old.
This FIR was registered on 7th of August 2021.
Regarding?
My lord, certain offences were alleged under PICA and Penal Code. Mr. Imran.
ये हुकूमत किसकी थी?
It was it was Mr. Imran Khan's government, sir.
Achha, okay.
Yeah. And so he runs his program on
So
YouTube.
is it case pending against him? It's closed.
Sir,
What is
in this case, Challan has been filed before the trial court.
saying what? Exonerating or implicating him or what?
Implicating him.
For?
My lord, for these offences under
Say, what is the nature of the offence? Don't quote us a section, say he did this.
My lord, offences actually अपने vlogs के अंदर उन्होंने कहा कि जी आपने कुछ रियासती इदारों और ओहदेदारों के बारे में
मैं करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ vlog.
I find it hard to pronounce. I know what it is, but I just find it hard to. Blog is easier, but blog is something just doesn't come.
जी चलें.
जी.
नहीं, what is the nature of the thing?
Sir,
ये पूछ लेना, पूरी FIR आपके पीछे खड़ी है ना?
जी जी. नहीं ये मेरे सामने ये FIR भी है. So उन्होंने कुछ अपने जो ब्लॉग के अंदर कुछ प्रोग्राम किए जिसमें उन्होंने कुछ रियासती इदारों और ओहदेदार और उनके बारे में कुछ
this is what you're referring to?
My lord, I'm referring to CMA 2488.
नहीं, ये जो अभी फाइल कर रहे हैं आप,
नहीं वो तो 2490 है.
ये नंबर्स इस पे नहीं.
ये 2488.
2490.
No, 2488. Please take up 2488.
ये
2488. And if you may kindly turn to page 11.
नहीं देखिए, हम सीधी साधा आपसे बात कर रहे हैं. हम भी जानते हैं FIRs कैसी होती हैं. कोई सब्सटैंशियल ऑफेंस है या बस ऐसी तंग करने वाला ऑफेंस है?
My lord, in all fairness,
But you're not responsible. Why are you so hesitant?
नहीं, I'm not. ये कह रहा हूँ कि
It was a different age, it was a different government, but people don't remember history. They want only today. They don't want to remember yesterday, and they don't want to plan for the future.
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं इसके अंदर जिसको ये कहा जाए कि सेक्शन 11
हो सकता है
13 and 20 के जो ऑफेंस जो
आप पूछ लें FIA से, are they interested in pursuing this? 3 साल तो गुजार लिए, 21, 22, 23, 24.
My lord,
or you can keep it pending to pull his chain whenever you want to.
No.
If that's the objective.
No, it can't be.
It can't be, or it isn't.
It isn't and it can't be.
It can't be, I can say, but for you...
It isn't either, sir. It isn't either. Now that because the challan is before the trial court, if he moves an application or 265A...
He won't move anything, I'm asking the state.
Ji.
Is it a criminal offense Mr. Imran Shafkat has committed? I'm not asking Mr. Imran Shafkat, I'm asking the state.
My lord, in my opinion, no.
So, is the FIA withdrawing the case?
My lord, FIA at the moment now, because they have...
They come under you.
They'll move an application before the trial court, sir.
सलाउद्दीन साहब, आपने पिटिशन फाइल की और केस ही खत्म हो गया।
फिर अभी तो आज ही वकालत में फाइल की है। She is very kind.
Such quick relief, very few people get.
But what I'll be requesting for the main petitioner in my case is, sir, that the parameters of FIA's jurisdiction.
Yeah, we are actually, that's where we wanted to go to. So, okay, now can we go to there?
And
who's this lady standing next to you? नहीं, आपके साथ हैं?
No, I believe she has her own petition.
अच्छा, who is she?
May I? I'm a journalist based in Karachi. I filed a petition on the 14th of February.
What do you want?
It's related to the JIT, the FIA notices, coercive action by the FIA.
Okay. Then you are well represented by Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed.
If I may, I'm appearing in person. My petition is pending before the committee. It was filed on the 14th of February.
Are you saying anything different to
I
what?
am.
Can you just wait a second?
Yes.
At least hear the question. Is it he is advocating the same thing, Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed? So you don't think he was able to do so?
No, he is very able.
No, what? Any new point? Let us hear him.
Yes.
And if there is some point which is he has left out, you can tell us. Because he's a senior lawyer of the court. He will be able to assist us better.
Yes, if I may, after him, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Don't repeat anything if there is something new to be added.
Yes.
Gee.
To the extent of SMC 5, there was another journalist against whom an FIR was registered, Mr. Amir Mir. I have the same statement which I have made in relation to Mr. Imran Shafkat with respect to his FIR also,
We'll record your statement.
my lord. And FIA will move an appropriate application in that
Whatever they
case
do, we are recording your statement
also.
in presence of the FIA.
My lord.
Okay.
My lord, as far would you?
Because I don't interfere in other people's work because we are recording your statement. Gee.
Would your lordship like to take up the FIA issue first, or the issue of the police reports regarding Matiullah Jan and Afsar Alam?
We are more concerned with the legal issue because each individual case we will spend a lot of time on it. But if you want to do it that way, it's up to you. But I thought it's better to go the legal route first.
Okay, sir.
Let's start with the constitution, the law, the subordinate legislation.
Okay, sir.
Unless you have a preference.
No, I'll start that, sir.
Because then it becomes person specific.
Okay.
And I don't know if it is then within the ambit of 184(3). Because public interest as a whole of journalism is. But when individual cases, I don't know, they may have other reliefs under 199, whether 184(3) would be attracted. What is your opinion?
My lord, my submission is that when there is a pattern of
That's what I'm saying, pattern.
When there's a pattern of extrajudicial violence against journalists, in that case, then it becomes public importance. And in that case, in the exercise of that public importance matter in the jurisdiction, your lordships may sometimes have to pass specific directions in order to ensure that such actions don't happen again. So to that extent it may become relevant.
ठीक, please proceed in your own way. आपको बैठना है, तशरीफ रखें. ये लोग भी बैठ सकते हैं. जी.
My lord, if your lordship will turn to CP 4 of 2020.